Assalamu alaikum. Today we will be doing with the numericals of chapter number 2, that is kinematics, and probably it is the chapter of ninth class, so it is a new edition book. So many students face, even teachers face problem to solve the numericals. So let's start with the first numerical. Like it is calculate the acceleration of a bus that speed up from 20 meter per second to 40 meter per second in 8 seconds. So first of all, we have to know what is given to us. First, what we do in numericals is we have to spot out the values. Those are called given data. What is given to us in this piece of numerical? We have to extract the data, so that is called given data. So we are given with 20 meter per second because this bus speed ups from 20 meter per second to 40 meter per second. This means that its initial velocity is 20 meter per second. So we write it initial velocity, which is denoted by vi, which is equal to 20 meter per second, and it speed ups to 40 meter per second. This means that its final velocity is denoted by vf, and that is 40 meter per second. Time is given to us, which is 8 seconds. You can see in the numerical. And the important part of numerical is always remember what is to find, what is required, what we are supposed to find. So that is the important part of numerical. So you have to spot out that very entity. So that is calculate the acceleration. It is saying like you have to calculate the acceleration of a bus. So we will write it like to find or required, that is acceleration. We are supposed to find the acceleration which is unknown for us. So by knowing all these values, we have to use an appropriate formula. Which formula we will be using in order to solve the numerical? That is very important. So by knowing that we are given with vf, we are given with vi, we are given with t, so we are supposed to find acceleration. So this equation of motion suits best. So we choose first equation of motion from the three equations. So that is vf is equal to vi plus at. So now what we have to do is we have to rearrange. Just we are taking vi to this side, so it becomes vf minus vi, and when we divide t over here, so it becomes vf minus vi upon t. I hope you are getting my point. So now we have to move on. Like we have to put the values, we have to plug in the values in the set formula that we have made from the first equation of motion. So we will be putting the values. Like we are given with vi, that is 40 meter per second, and we are given with vf, that is probably 40 meter per second, and vi is, sorry, it is 20 meter per second. We put the values in place of their symbols. So we got this one, a is equal to 40 minus 20 upon 8. So when we subtract 40 from 20, we get the value like 20 upon 8. So let me do it in calculator for you. When we divide 20 upon 8, sorry, when we divide 20 upon 8 like this way, so we get the value like 2.5. so this is the ultimate answer, that is probably our required result. So that is 2.5 meter per second square. Why we have written meter per second square over there? Because the unit of acceleration is meter per second square, and probably it is the SI unit. So the answer also must be in SI units. Is it clear? So when the data is in an SI unit, the answer must be in SI unit. That's very important part of numerical. I hope this whole numerical is clear for you. If any problem, let me know. Drop comments after going through this numerical. I hope you will get maximum concepts out of it. If you are still having any problem, so let me know. I will make it more clear for you, more easy for you in the next videos. So stay update and follow my more videos. Hope so we will be coming up with more numericals in the next videos. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.